While printing for clients, you'll often be asked to print a design in a color you don't already have in stock. A color mixing system is designed to help screen printers create over 1,000 colors using just one color kit like this one. For this video, I'll be using the 𝗬𝗧𝗃 water-based mixing system by Screen Print Direct. They have a simple guide in the product description for the mixing system on their website. First, we'll pick out our color from the Pantone list. I'm going to mix Pantone 183. Now let's go back to Screen Print Direct's website and click on the color mixing system link. From here, we'll enter our color code and the amount of ink we want to mix. To test it out, I'm going to mix just 100 grams. The formula calls for 75 grams of mixing white, 18.8 grams of warm red, and 6.2 grams of ruby red. Now let's mix these colors together and see what we get. And that's how you use a color mixing system.